Hey guys, so I just got this new package on the mail today. As you can see, it's a little adult toy. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys how it looks and then like the little features that it has. So this is how it looks like once you take it out of the box. I love the little like rose shape. It's like so cute. And then of course it comes with the charger and with the little manual. So what's great about it is that it's not only like a vibrator, it actually has suction mode as well and licking mode. So it has 9 different modes for vibrations, 9 different modes for licking, and then 4 suction modes. So that's great. And then here you can see the different, so this is to turn it on. And then this is the other one, or this one. So yeah, and then here you can see how it's moving and like it's the suction mode. And here you can see it too. And you just click on it to change modes. And it's going like faster. So yeah, this is a great toy if you want to spice things up.